Hi, this is me, Kaylin. I'm going to show you something, and it's called sunflower, and these are leaves first, and then they're gonna turn into sunflowers, and these are the sunflowers that you can see right there. See this? They're growing, and when the leaves get older, we kind of peel them. I peel them, but sometimes I don't, and they fall off or by themselves right into the pot. This is a flower that is a sunflower, and here it's kind of creepy because it's like vampire teeth, or like spider teeth, I mean. The crunch. And so now, this is a plant that my mom already put the seed right in there. See? Right there, close to the top, so it can grow. And if she put it at the bottom, then it might take a little bit longer, and then we go like so. My mom put it close to the top, and this one is a tiny plant that is a sunflower, and this is a sunflower too. Same. This is a sunflower that is growing, and it's cute because it's tiny. And bye, guys.